barbecue sampler, Hawaiian coleslaw and mac salad. They got, what did you get? Like a half a chicken over there?
Half a chicken and some ribs. No,
And we already
quarter chicken.
buffalo wings, and we also got poppers and dill pickle chips that we already ate. Girls got chicken sandwiches, and they're playing the Connect Four. We're enjoying a beach day at Salt Pond Beach. It's like a whole, city rec park. There's Greg and David. Hello. There's a whole bunch of other shoreline over there. It was free to enter. I guess it's usually not as busy as it is, which doesn't even seem that busy. But there's, you can see from the clouds, there's like stormy weather over on that side of the island. So everyone's coming from, I think, Shipwreck Beach and kind of that area, maybe, over this way. Some guys fishing. There were some guys doing like net fishing earlier. It's pretty nice out here. And it's free. There's like no parking or nothing. We're up here in Wailua for breakfast. Restaurant that's right on the beach. Hawaiian chickens. It's a restaurant called Lava Lava. We actually ate breakfast at another location by the Sheridan on our last day of our last trip. So we're having it a little earlier this time, so it doesn't have to be our last meal. But it's right on the beach. It's beautiful. Got a burrito. I got some avocado toast. David got his Loco Moco.
Good morning. Actually, good afternoon. It's still morning time. We are taking our friends on a hike. Hi, guys. We are going to Waterfalls. Nothing to off. We're going to jump on waterfalls. We're going to go on a boat swing. This is the waterfalls. And have a good morning.
A great morning.
Great.
Woo!
Great. All right, this is the part I get a hold of hand for. If I slide, if I'm not using this stuff, I'll let go.
Oh, gosh. Okay. Almost fell. Oh. Hey, made it down the mudslide.
Chris, you don't want to drink? One last slippery part, we'll be going down to the waterfall here. But I'll help you do it.
Right in the waterfall. Oh, it's so nice. We spent the last, I don't know, 2 hours or so jumping off. What is it? Hopi Falls?
OPE Falls.
Oh, that word, yes. I'll learn all my Hawaiian vowels at some point. Even David and Anya jumped off, which, if anyone knows either one of them, that's not something they do normally. And we're very proud of both of them for doing it. First a catamaran in Mexico, now a waterfall in Hawaii. We'll get you jumping off of something else soon, David. Hello, chicken. I tell you, they're just everywhere, and it's normal. It's kind of awesome. I'd rather take chickens over squirrels any day.
They're so cute. Oh my god.
Hey, come on, man. It's okay. It's okay, Mama. We won't get your babies. Dang, they made quick work of all those crumbs.
Mama's like, it's over here. This is where it's at.
Aw, she only has 3 babies. You know what? It's expensive to raise kids. She's only got 3. Oh, and then a little adopted one.
Ways to help reduce your rubbish output. Visit Hawaii.gov/recycle.
So after spending a little while on the beach, Poipu Beach, they have turtles and stuff. David, Greg, and I are at Kenji Burger again because it's that good. Highly recommend coming to a Kenji Burger. They have several on the island. You'll be able to find one, no problem. Here's their menu. They've got salads. The furikake fries are very good. I wasn't sure about the seasoning on it, but they are very good. Loco Moco Bowl, David would probably like. I'm not sure what he's getting this time. I'm gonna get the chicken katsu sandwich instead of the Kenji burger. I figured I'd give him, try a couple different things in the benefit of the doubt. And they have cocktails over here. So we're here at Kenji Burger and David's like, look, it's raining. I'm like, so? It's Hawaii, that happens. It's just kind of like the daily life around here. You just, accept that it's gonna rain on you and you just move on. Do you dress up for the rain? No. Your same shorts and t-shirt and flip-flops as you had before, you're just gonna get wet, but you'll dry out in another 5 minutes after that. It's totally fine. One of the top 5 reasons why being in Kauai, or Hawaii in general, is great. So I got the furikake fries and the chicken katsu sandwich.
Yum.
The boys' food has yet to be determined because, I don't know, it's not here yet.
Look at the cat.
And there's a kitty cat.
Hi, kitty.
I miss our kitties.